everyone, I'm Shalaka Pawar and you are watching The True Gourmet. Well, a few days back, I had put up a story on Instagram saying that I have just ordered a box of protein bars from this new brand that I heard of, which is called And Nothing Else. And I obviously asked all of you which are the protein bars that you want me to review. So today I'm here to review exactly those protein bars. Well, before I start with my review, I just want to clear that I have absolutely no partnership with this brand. This is the first time I've ordered something like this online. I wanted to eat something healthy. I wanted to see how protein bars are. And that's the only reason why I've ordered it. So this is completely my opinion, whatever I'm going to say, and I'm not even sure how I'm going to like it. So this is the very first time I'm also going to taste it right in front of you guys. So let's begin with this box that I've got from And Nothing Else. It literally says your personal brown box and nothing else. Let's look inside this box. This is exactly how I've got it. I've ordered a box of 10. So you can order a box of 6, you can order individuals, you can order a box of 10s. That's totally up to you. One protein bar costs 100 rupees. So a bit on an expensive side. So a box of 10 costs 1000 rupees, but I had a coupon code which is pretty much flashing on their website itself. So I got it at 800 rupees. So I'm going to show you what inside this box. So opening this box now. So there are a lot of protein bars as usual. They've also asked us to just try out these immunity balls that they have. One is antioxidative and one is anti-inflammatory. This is where they've given these. So they've given me an antioxidative and an anti-inflammatory as well. This is, I didn't order this. I think they've just given it as complimentary so that we try it out. So looks pretty good. Then we have these amazing protein bars here. These are 10. As you can see, I ordered a lot of different flavors because I wanted to try. There's cranberry, there is coconut cocoa, there's peanut butter, well, there is double cocoa, coffee cocoa. Well, this is a clear winner when I had asked which one you want me to review. So I'm of course going to review coffee cocoa. I'm going to keep this aside right now. I ordered some more cranberries. Right, so this is how it looks like. I can also see a lot of papers. Oh, by the way, there's also a peanut cocoa. So there are some paper cuttings in which they've given, and then they also have given us a card sort of which says what's with all the shredded paper and what a waste. But they are saying that they source the waste paper and shredded. So it's pretty much in terms with not wasting paper, which is pretty good actually. And then okay, they also have a note. Okay, this looks like a big one. Yes, they've written it a really long letter and nothing else, right? So well, yeah, basically in this note they've written exactly about what I spoke, that this is really healthy, and whatever our bars say, that's exactly what we have and nothing else. And at the end there is a very cute note that says, if you actually read this, congratulations, no one reads these days. So we're happy. Here's a small token of our appreciation. Check out the bottom of the box if you've earned it. Whoa. So there is something cool at the bottom of the box, and we're going to see this now. So I'm just going to close this for now. Let's turn it and... okay. A little something else. That's cute. Alright, so they are giving me 15% off on my next purchase. So guys, yes, if you find any note in their boxes, please read it because, well, you get quite some off. And this is how their bars look like, right? This is exactly what we want to see. They've written that it's a 12-gram protein bar. It's made with cranberries, dates, cashews, almonds, cocoa, butter and whey and nothing else. So this is exactly what they say. This is all that this bar has. There is absolutely nothing else apart from this. And now we're going to taste how our coffee cocoa bar tastes. Now, before I taste this, I want to tell you that I'm not a nutrition expert, so I don't know whether 12-gram proteins is enough for you, or whether these ingredients are best for you, or if I should read anything behind the pack and find out if there is anything that's different and you should be warned of. So please, for nutritional advice, look for a nutrition expert and not me. I'm here to review this product for the taste that it has, assuming that this is good for health, assuming that this is nutritious. But if it doesn't taste good, then I'm not going to eat it anyway. So yeah, I'm going to tear this packet off. Okay, it's a little difficult to tear. Oh my god. Okay, This is difficult to tear off. Maybe you might need a scissor or whatever, but I've managed some part of it. Let me try more. All right. Well, this is how the bar looks like. It is a bit sticky. I can actually, see the ghee or oil, whatever, butter in it. This is how the bar looks like. It's coffee cocoa. I think they have almonds on the top. So, taste test time. Here's my honest opinion. This is actually very tasty. You can taste coffee really well in this. So the coffee cocoa part comes out well. If you're a coffee lover, you're gonna like this. Best part is I didn't find too much of sugar in it. Like I didn't feel like I'm eating something very sweet. I've had a lot of protein bars and they taste very good, but you can literally figure out that there's something so sweet and nice in it that it's probably not healthy. This tastes very good. There's coffee flavor, there's a very mild sweetness to it. I think that sweetness is from cocoa. I don't feel like there's some kind of sugar or any kind of sweetener that I would not want to have in my protein bar. It tastes really good. When I had a bite of it, initially when I touched the bar, because I could feel some butter, I thought, it'll be a little sticky. But it's not really sticky. I could have a very nice bite, and I had like 2-3 bites. It looks like one bar would be quite a lot. Like it'll be quite filling because it's kind of a stuffy bar. Overall, I think it's a great find that I've done, and I would totally like to order more of this because this is something that I really liked. The taste is good, it feels healthy, and I would like to trust the brand when they say that this is all we have and nothing else. But of course, it'll be great to hear your reviews. Any nutritional experts who are in my account, please do a review of this and tell me if this is also good in terms of having one protein bar every day. I hope you liked the review, and I hope if you were searching for some protein bars, I have introduced you to a new brand that's probably something that you need to explore. I will see you guys in the next episode of True Gourmand. Till then, bye bye.